Hi everyone, in today's video, we will be checking the AGM G1S rugged smartphone. It is one of the latest models of rugged smartphones to be released. I got it online from AGM and the delivery was pretty fast. The package arrived properly packed, so the product packing is still so nice looking. Let's proceed to check out what is inside the box. Inside the box, users will find one pack of user guide to guide users on the product operation. Next out is the AGM G1S smartphone, along with a wall charging adapter and a USB-C charging cable for recharging the battery. A pack of spare port covers is provided for you to reattach to the phone if the current one wears out, all packed neatly in the product box. An AGM charging dock is also provided, so if you are someone who likes to charge their phones on a sleek and stylish dock, you will find this really useful as it makes the setup look neater. It's really easy to use, just rest your phone on the dock without wires, and the phone will charge up automatically, no need for a physical wire to plug in and out. First hands-on impression, the AGM G1S smartphone looks and feels really stylish and elegant with a modern rugged design to it. It is sleek looking, not overly bulky like some other similar models. This sleek design makes it more pocket-friendly. On the right, users would find a power button and volume keys to control the volume of the phone. On the other side, there is a customizable side key, along with a SIM card and SD card tray slot. Just open the rubber flap to remove the tray to put your SIM card or SD card for connectivity. How convenient. At the bottom, users would find a power port, along with a headphone jack for you to connect your music if you prefer using the wired method. Pretty rare nowadays, but a good option to have. At the top, there is a laser for you to use the smartphone as a laser pointer for lectures or presentation. Cool gadget feature. By simply pressing the power key, it will boot up nicely. On first use, follow the on-screen instructions to configure the smartphone before use. Thereafter it will boot into the home page of the device. The home page user interface looks really clean and tidy. It is responsive and gives a smooth browsing experience when I am scrolling around. Powered by Android 11, it is stock condition, meaning no excessive bloatware as you see here, giving it a much more cleaner and neater feel when I am using it through the dark night. Amazing, right? It's my first phone with so many different cool camera features. The front camera is a 16-megapixel lens to take decent selfie shots. Let's launch the camera app to test the camera interface. Simply point and capture the shots you want. There are many different video and photo modes on it, such as infrared, night, video, photo modes and many more. Let's check out some photos I took with the camera. The photos are of great quality, shots captured looks very clear and crisp, colors are very vibrant too. Love the depth and quality of the images captured. Moving on to the video, it works well and captures in clear high definition, feels really immersive and realistic watching the video and photo shots captured on the AGM G1S camera. There is night mode available on the camera, so you can capture clearer shots during the night. Images captured at night are clearer when captured in night mode. There is infrared night vision on the camera, so even when it is pitch black dark, you still can see and be aware of your surroundings. Just like in this test footage, I can see the objects and orientation of the room even when it's completely dark. Great for camping, especially when there is no power. The night vision camera can greatly help. Another cool feature of the device is the thermal imaging camera on it. Launch the app on the smartphone to use it. You can select from 9 different color palettes, depending on your need. There is also Pro and Classic mode available depending on your need. Rate, temperatures are relayed real-time. Great for work or inspections where thermal imaging is required. The application store is available on this smartphone. Simply access it to find the apps you need. I will try playing a game on the phone to see how well it fares. During gaming, the phone did not lag. GB massive RAM and 128GB storage space to handle multitasking and gaming with decent quality. With IP ratings and mil-STD ratings, meaning it is dust-proof, waterproof and drop-proof, to handle rugged activities. It also supports global 5G bands for internet and connectivity. Stay connected wherever you are. Overall, the AGM G1S rugged smartphone works great for people who loves outdoors, or need a smartphone with thermal imaging or night vision. Find out more on where to get the AGM G1S with the link in description. Thank you for watching.